Okay, hey guys, how are you doing? Silver Game of Thrones, it's a weekend today. So let's talk about milk spot, and I promise to help you. I promise to share what I am doing, and let's get into it. Milk spot. Everyone has it, right? Look on this coin, this Britannia, and usually it happens from the backside. So if you have milk spot like this, you see, then it can be fixed. But if you can milk spot, like mostly it happen on Canada coins, which has very small spots, and they have a little bit gray color, not white, then you cannot fix it because it's coming from inside the metal. This is on the tops of the metal, so it's easy to clean. But whatever is happened from inside the metal, the technology is crap. The Canada, technology, when they make the silver coins round, it's crap. That's why it happened. So I'm not messing up with the Canada, especially when they have these radial lines. I'm not messing up. But this is very easy to clean. So let's see how I do it. Okay. So what I need for this. First of all, we are gonna open this coin. Okay. Again, Don't be scared to touch it if you're gonna clean it. Like if you will clean it, it's not a big deal because I clean it with water. I wash it with water. So in the end of the day, I wash it and clean it, and its surface is much better than today than it is now. So what I am using, first of all, I am using this wipers, silver wipes. Polish tarnish removal. So in my life I always trust on what I know. I went online, I see how people do it with all kind of add all kind of fluids and all kind of like different formulas. But I found my way. Okay, I know it has very good review when I Google it on Amazon. Silver wipes. It was very good review, like 2000 maybe, and people say it's good, and I try it and it's good. It's really good. But you need to be very careful. Basically, first of all, it's made in USA, not China crap, you see. And you do not get it out, do not shallow, keep it out. How they create it, you see that like wire with water for 15 minutes. They say, I don't follow 15 minutes. I do it like maybe 5 minutes, but I'll show you. So let's open it. Usually I don't use this cup, to take it and hold it. Why? Because it's getting dry. Okay. So I open it and I have this capsule, right? And I take one piece. And they lock it back. This is what I do. Okay, this way it's not getting dry. Okay, so I have this piece. Second, usually I do it underwater, but I will just show you what I do. It's very wet, so what I do usually, I get this, backside, and I clean it a little bit, very gently, like this, very gently. So what happened when you put it on the top? It is working with this surface, and even now you can see that it's slowly it starts to disappear. A little, very gently. Trust me, nothing will happen. Very soft wipes. Okay, let's see now. You see? It's almost gone. There is a little bit on this side. Little bit on this side. And if you look on paper, it's getting a little bit dark color, Very gently, very gently. I usually use it with water, okay? I put in the water and then it getting wet, so it getting much better, okay? Okay, so now let me wash it with water, okay? Water and soap, and then I'm back. Then I took some paper and I clean it with paper and look on it now. You see? It's all gone. It's all gone. Okay? And don't think that it will be the quality, the surface, whatever it is. Let me try to bring my lamp. I cannot. I have my lamp here. If I can, yeah. Which you can see. I don't know if it's working or not. Yeah. You see, it's almost gone. I think a little bit here. I will try to clean this part. You see, but mostly it's gone. Yeah, a little it has on the face. Okay, so I'll do one more time and mostly gone. But you cannot compare what it was before and what it is now. Okay. Okay, guys. As I say again, if you have milk sport on surface like this, it's nothing. It's very easy to clean, and it is not damaging the coins. You see the coin, there is no scratches on coins, there is nothing on a coin. Okay, but if it's Canadian coin with radial lines, that it's not gonna clean. Forget about this. Okay, but I try to keep as less Canadian coins as I have, and for this coin, it's not a problem. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.